Hello children, welcome to your EBS class. I am Archana Mudli. Today I am teaching you your chapter 2. Your chapter 2 is plants around us. Okay. In previous class you have already learned about the parts of the plants. So today in this chapter we discuss about the types of plants. You know, every human being depends upon the plants directly or indirectly. We found different things from plants like food, shelter, furniture, paper, rubber, medicine. All these things we found from the plants. These are the useful thing for us. Okay, let's discuss how many types of plants. Here 5 types of plants are given. One is trees, second is shrubs, third is herbs, and fourth is climbers, and fifth one is creepers. Okay, first we discuss about the trees. Okay, your first type is trees. Okay, let us discuss trees. Trees are plants that are very big, tall and strong. Trees are the plants that are very big, tall and strong. Okay, trees have thick, strong and woody stem that is called trunk. Trees have strong, thick and woody stem that is called your trunk. This one is called your trunk. Okay, this one is called your trunk. This is very thick, strong and woody. So this is called trunk. Okay, Trunk. Trunk. This one is trunk. Okay, then the trunk of a tree is covered with a protective layer that is called bark. Okay, bark. The trunk of a tree is covered with a protective layer that is called your bark. Okay, the trees have long life. Sometimes they live for 1,000 years, and some trees shed their leaves in a year, and some are green for throughout the year. Okay, some trees green for throughout the years. Okay, the examples of trees are coconut, neem and mango. Coconut trees, neem trees, mango trees, all these are the examples of trees. Okay, then your second types is shrubs. Shrubs are a bush. Shrubs are look like bush. Shrubs are a bush is small, medium size, hard woody stem, woody plant. A shrub or a bush is small, medium size, hard woody plant. These are the small, medium size, hard woody plants. The examples of shrubs are hibiscus, bougainvillea, rose and lime. The examples are hibiscus, bougainvillea, rose and limes. And these plants are live for few years. Okay. Then your third one is herbs. Herbs are the plants are very small and soft green stem. These are the plants very small and their stems are green in color and very soft. Okay, they are live for a season. These plants are live for a one season, means 2 to 3 months. Okay, the examples of herbs are grass, coriander and mint. I think all of you see these plants, coriander, mint and grass. The stem of these plants are very soft and green in color. Okay. Then fourth one is climbers. Climbers are the plants have weak stem that need support to grow. These plants always need support to grow. Means these plants when grow they need support. Like they need support like stick, walls of the house and other trees. Okay. And the examples of the climbers are money plant, bean plant, grapevine. Okay. This is, look at here this picture. This is a plant. This grow with this help of this stick, and this is the support of the tree. So this plant always needs support like this to grow. Okay, the examples of the climbers are money plant, bean plant and grapevine. Okay, the last one is creepers. Creepers are the plants with weak and soft stems grow along the ground. Okay, look at this picture. This is a creeper. This plant grow along the ground. Okay, this is the ground and this plant grow along the ground. These plants are called creepers. Okay, the plants which are weak stem and soft stem and grow along the ground are called your creepers. The example of creepers are watermelon, pumpkin and muskmelon. Okay, the creepers are grow along the ground, but the climbers are grow in upward direction. Okay, this is the difference between creepers and climbers. Okay, this much for today. In next class we discuss about the plants in different climate. Okay, thank you and bye bye.